me. I can't. Julia. Colin. Colin.
You went over there.
Colin. Come here.
Take a picture while he's running.
I'm taking a video.
A doggy.
Oh.
It's a doggy. What's wrong with you?
I gotta pee.
Oh, you can go inside and pee. You really have to go that bad, or can you wait till you get home? It's only like 10 minutes. Hello.
Hi,
Is it okay if we go inside and Theo's got to pee real quick?
What?
Can Theo go inside and pee, or are they closed now?
They're not closed yet. You can go inside.
Oh,
They're
okay.
It's not locked.
Okay, we'll put it in your pocket and throw it outside.
Or throw it in the garbage when you're in the bathroom.
Yeah.
How's that?